In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Salesforce HR. If you've ever found yourself needing to reach out to Salesforce's Human Resources department but weren't quite sure how to get started, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, so that you can get the support you need swiftly and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to the Salesforce website. It's often a good idea to have any relevant information or questions you might need handy, as this will help streamline the process once you're connected with HR. When you land on the homepage, take note of the sleek interface Salesforce boasts. This makes navigating their site a breeze. Once on the Salesforce homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll find the Contact Us link. Clicking on this link is your key to unlocking a variety of contact options, tailored to suit your personal communication preference and urgency level. Now that you've clicked Contact Us, you'll be presented with a few choices. Depending on how you'd like to connect with Salesforce HR, you could either request a call, chat with a representative, or call them directly using the number provided. Each option has its own set of advantages. If you're in need of immediate support or have a quick query, using the chat feature or giving them a direct call might be your best bet. On the other hand, requesting a call to discuss particular details could be effective if you prefer a more structured and planned conversation. If opting to request a call, you'll typically need to fill out a brief form with your contact information and a short summary of your inquiry. This helps ensure that the right person from their team reaches out to you, equipped with the necessary information to assist you. For those choosing to chat, this option offers a real-time conversation experience. It's often a great way to resolve issues quickly without the formality of a scheduled call. You can expect to describe your issue in a chat box and have a Salesforce representative respond to you shortly. If calling directly feels like the right approach for you, the number will be clearly displayed. Try to call during standard business hours for the quickest response, and having any related documents or identification numbers ready can make the call more productive. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily contact Salesforce HR and get the assistance you're seeking. Remember, the goal is to choose the method that aligns best with your needs and timeline. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Salesforce HR inquiries.